Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I'm going to discuss with you not a problem. I'm going to discuss with you how to start thinking English, because there are many peoples, many tutors, okay, English tutor, English teacher, they always say that if you really want to speak in English, so you need to start thinking English. But how can we start thinking English? Because English is not our native language. Our native language is Hindi, okay. You can replace Hindi with your native language, okay. So my native language is Hindi, so I am using here Hindi word, okay. So my native language is Hindi, so I generally think in my native language Hindi. But the problem is that how to start think in a secondary language, that is English, because we want to learn English, because we want to speak in English. So how to start thinking English? It's very difficult, and if we not if you not understand some words, some sentence, and we can not start thinking English. So for this you need to follow some rules. So in today's video I'm going to give you 2 or 3 rules which will help you to improve your thinking ability, which will help you to improve your sentence making ability. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video, okay friends. So let's get into the topic. Okay, so the problem is that, ma'am, how to start thinking English? Because English is not our native language, it's a secondary language. If you really follow all the rules, so you can easily we start thinking English, okay. So very first rule is that observe everything which are around you. Observe all the objects name, know all the objects name in English which are around you. So this is called noun, okay. Think about whenever you are working in a kitchen. So you are making vegetable, you are making chapati, so all the objects name you need to know, okay, if you really want to start thinking English. So observe all the objects, like this is coriander powder, this is chili powder, okay, and this is flour, this is vegetable, this is knife. So you need to observe all the objects name in English. So this is first rule. Second rule, whenever you go outside or whenever you inside, you are working something, because you are doing some activities, okay. So you need to observe all the activities that you are working or other are working, okay. Suppose that you are going outside with your friends, with your family, you are going in a wedding ceremony, you are going any occasion, okay. So you need to observe all the activities which is happening around you, okay. So you need to follow 2 things. First things, all the objects name in English. Second thing, all the activities are happening in around you. So once you once you follow 2 activities, first objects name and second activities what is happening around you, so you can easily we start thinking English. How? So I'm going to give you a demo, okay. So first you need to listen all the activities very carefully, and then you need to use these activities, not these activities, okay, whatever you do in your home or outside. So try to make some little sentences in English, okay. So day before yesterday I went to picnic with my friends. So here I'm going to give you a demo. So this is a demo, okay. So here, a day before yesterday, I went to a picnic with my friend, and here we are waiting for someone. And as you all know that I have learned how to drive a car few months before, and you can see how perfectly I drive a car. And we are going to Orcha Resort. So you can see this is a Sonia whom we are waiting here. You can see Sonia is making a video and I am driving a car and Sudha Bhavi is sitting next to me. How good does it feel to see ourselves again and again in a photo or video? You can see this is a picture of Orcha temple. And here we are entering the Orcha resort and there are many friends are waiting. Some friends already reached, and so after leaving my friend I am going to park my car in a side. Now the fun time have started. It's a fun time.
Let's go.
I'm here.
Hello, friend.
So this is a Orcha resort. You can see how beautiful it is, and there are many friends are already arrived. So here we are started to meet with each other because some peoples are new here and some are old. Here we are playing Antakshari. So all friends are singing beautiful bhajan. And how good does it feel to see ourselves again and again in a photo or a video? So here I want to tell you one thing, that whenever you get a chance to be happy, then you should never miss that opportunity. So grab all the chance and opportunity that make you happy, because life is too short and unpredictable. So please grab all the chance and opportunity that make you happy in your life. So after having lunch, all of us started taking pictures one by one, and in this way the get together party with our Samaj was finalized. Okay. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. And after using this activity, you need to create this habit. Once you make a habit to start thinking English, you need to carry this habit minimum 21 days. Okay, once you carry this activities, how to start thinking English, a minimum 21 days, so it will be easy. After 21 days you can easily be start thinking English. Every situation, every whatever happening in around you, you can easily be make some little sentence in English. Okay, second point is that you don't need to use high sounding sophisticated words in a beginning level. Okay, you need to use simple and easy words. Okay, because initially time you are expressing your thoughts, you are expressing your ideas, so you don't need to use high sounding sophisticated words in a initially time. Okay, so use this habit, and that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.